In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can change the file size and resolution in Microsoft Paint. So let's get started. So go to the Windows search bar and type Paint. Click on it under the best match. Then click on File and click on Open. And then simply open the image. Okay, so we have this image from here. Click on Open. So now in order to change the file size and resolution, we are just going to click this option, Resize and Skew. So you have here for the percentage if you want to change this to say for example 200. So click on OK and this will looks like this. But if you don't want to maintain the aspect ratio, simply uncheck or simply click this option to not maintain the aspect ratio. You can change this to 50, 150 and click on OK. And that would look like this. And if you want to change the resolution, you can go on with pixels and then you can change this. It's up to you. And then you just have to click on OK. If you want to resize it, if you want to maintain the aspect ratio, then do not click on that option to maintain it. And click on OK. And that will look like that. You can also use this option to zoom and to increase the size and resolution of the image in Microsoft Paint. So that's it, and I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.